Hey everyone. Before we have a look at today's math problem, let's take a brief moment to relax and meditate. So sit up straight with your feet flat on the floor, and let's try something new with our hands. So take your left hand, and it's going to be palm facing up in your lap, and take your right hand, which is also going to be palm facing up, and lay your right hand lightly on your left hand. So the back of your right hand is against the palm of your left hand, almost like your left hand is lightly cradling your right hand. And let the tips of your two thumbs lightly touch. And relax your shoulders. And gently close your eyes. And take a deep inhale through your nose. And exhale slowly through your nose. On the next inhale, feel your lungs filling completely as you breathe in through your nose. And exhale slowly through your nose. On the next inhale, slowly breathe in through your nose and see if you can hear that audible breath in the back of your throat, sort of like a Darth Vader sound. And as you exhale slowly through your nose, see if you can hear that audible breath again in the back of your throat. One last deep inhale through your nose and send the breath to any parts of your body that are feeling a little tight. And when you get to the top of the breath, hold your breath for a few seconds. And then see how slowly you can exhale through your nose as you feel the tension release and as you feel a greater sense of calm. And gently open your eyes. All right, so this multiple choice problem is from the College Board. It's from section 3 of the SAT test, which does not allow calculators. And it says, if 3r equals 18, what's the value of 6r plus 3? So take a moment and give this a shot. It's okay if you're not sure how to approach it. You can even just take a guess. And in about a minute, we'll have a look at it together. This is a pretty straightforward algebra problem, and you probably started with 3r equals 18 and went ahead and solved for r. So you probably did something like this, dividing both sides by 3 to isolate the r and finding that r equals 6. And then you saw that the question is, what's 6r plus 3? So you simply substituted in the value of r, which was 6, and added 3. So that gives us 36 plus 3, which is the same as 39. and then the answer is D. So that would be the straightforward, full-on algebraic solution for finding the answer, which is totally legitimate. And D is, in fact, the right answer. But I wanted to use this simple problem as an opportunity for showing you an important strategy that's going to serve you well on the entire SAT test. And it entails training you not to automatically think that doing the full-on algebraic solution is the best thing to try first, simply because you're going to get much more difficult problems where if you do that, it's just going to take too much time. So we're going to focus on the fact that they gave us 3r equals 18, and they're asking what is 6r plus 3. Look very closely. Notice that they gave us the value for 3r. And the expression that we're trying to find has 6r as a term. So what's the relationship between 3r and 6r? Well, 6r is double 3r. So all I have to do to find the 6r value is double whatever the value of 3r is. So 18 times 2 is 36, and that's going to be the value of 6r. So 36 plus 3 is going to be 39. And that, in fact, gives us the answer. So what I want to emphasize here is focusing on the goal and its relationship to what's given. Just seeing that 6r is double 3r will, in many instances with much more complicated algebra problems, save you a lot of time. And I just want to train you to not think that doing the full-on algebraic solution as a first strategy is necessarily going to serve you best. It's totally fine if you did it here because it's a pretty short, straightforward problem, but I also want you to be comfortable in looking at the relationship between the answer that's being asked for and the information that's given so that you can see shortcuts like this. If you have any questions or suggestions or requests, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you subscribe to this channel, you'll be notified of new videos as they become available. I enjoyed working together, and I look forward to seeing you next time.